Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Proxy by Janitor AI. So here is a step-by-step guide. So it has easy setup for 5 simple steps. So first, let's start with step number 1, which is to get to know what is Janitor AI Proxy. So Janitor AI is a role-playing AI platform, and Proxy allows you to connect to open AI models. So it also enables unlimited AI conversations, and it is completely free to use with proper setup. So for step number 1, you have to create your account. So you can visit the janitorai.com, click sign up button, and then enter your email and password. So just verify your email address. So once you're done verifying it, log into your new account. For step number 2 is to access API settings. So click on your profile on the top right, and then select API settings from the drop-down menu. Now from there, just choose OpenAI as your model provider, and then you'll see you'll see fields of API configuration right here. So the next one is to get proxy from GitHub. So search Janitor AI reverse proxy on GitHub, and then find a reliable repository so you can check the stars and the forks. So just look for the proxy links in the README file, which is in here, and then just copy the reverse proxy URL provided. So next is to join Discord for keys. So most proxy repos have Discord server links, so you can join the community Discord server. So just look for channels like #proxy keys or #API keys. So just follow the rules to get your API key, and then copy both proxy URL and API key. So next is to configure and start chatting. So return to Janitor AI API settings, paste the reverse proxy URL, and then enter your API key from the Discord. Then at the very bottom, you will see click save or test connection. So you can then start chatting with AI characters. So here are the tips for success. First is always use trusted proxy sources. You can also join active Discord communities, keep your API keys private, and test connection before long chats. So also just a note that some proxies may have usage limits. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!